How long does it take to cook a 10-pound ham?
Hello, culinary explorers. Today we're going to demystify the art of cooking a large piece of meat, a 10-pound ham, to be precise. By the end of this video, you'll know how to calculate cooking time and what you need to consider for achieving the perfect ham. Let's dive in.
What's the basic rule of thumb?
When it comes to cooking ham, a general rule is to cook it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes per pound. So, for a 10-pound ham, you should expect a cooking time of approximately 2.5 to 3.3 hours.
Are all hams created equal?
Absolutely not. It's essential to note that your ham's type can affect the cooking time. Hams can come as bone-in, boneless, pre-cooked, and fresh. Typically, pre-cooked hams require less cooking time compared to fresh hams. The presence of bone can also influence the heat distribution, often necessitating a slightly longer cooking time.
How do I know when it's done?
Well, the secret lies in the temperature. The internal temperature of the ham should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, for a fully cooked ham. You can use a meat thermometer to check this. Make sure to insert it at the thickest part of the ham, avoiding the bone.
Any tips for a perfect ham?
Absolutely. It's a good idea to baste your ham every 20 to 30 minutes with the juices collected at the bottom of the pan. This will prevent it from drying out and will also enhance its flavor. Letting the ham rest for 15 to 20 minutes after it's out of the oven allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a moister, more flavorful ham. There you have it, folks. By adhering to these simple guidelines, you can cook a 10-pound ham to perfection. Remember, patience is the key. Each piece of meat is unique and may require slight adjustments in cooking time. But with this guide, you're well on your way to becoming a ham cooking maestro. Happy cooking, and until next time, bon appetit!